Well, we really hoped you enjoyed seeing Christmas all across the world there. We've been into Poland, we've been into Scandinavia, we've been even to these more tropical places like Hong Kong and the Philippines to see how they celebrate Christmas there.
We've even managed to go back in time and hear about how Christmas traditions originated and why we celebrate the way that we do. And hopefully you've been able to see the links between the Christmas traditions in the UK and those across the world, but also how they differ.
So just remember, in this festive season, and we hope you're having a fantastic time and will have a fantastic time with whoever you're going to celebrate it with. But remember, people are celebrating all over the world in this festive season. So spare a thought for everybody at home with the people they love, having a nice time. If you want to talk more about your Christmas and you want to leave some comments, do that underneath these videos in our little comments bit. And you never know, next year we might use your Christmas too.
Brilliant, thank you. So do look out for our Christmas lecture 2023, and we're going to give extra points for anybody who can guess the format we're going to deliver in. So there's not much left to say other than have an absolutely fantastic Christmas period or winter celebration season.
Thank you, everyone. We'll see you next year. Have a great time. Bye-bye.
Take care. Bye-bye.